The Porsche Cayenne promoted elite execution street SUVs and pioneered the path for the majority super SUVs that followed. Since its beginning, the Cayenne's notoriety has just developed, both as far as speed and marketing projections. It has forever been the benchmark of its fragment, and the Porsche Cayenne Super GT car right now holds the record for the quickest SUV around the Nürburgring. The 2023 Porsche Cayenne car setup contained 10 trims which have been slenderized to only 4 in the 2024 program. The GTS, Super SE half-breed models have been ceased, alongside the Platinum release variations of the base, E-Mixture, and Cayenne S managers. To make up for these prominent holes, Porsche has amended the powertrains of the 2024 Cayenne car models, improving execution and effectiveness. Costs have gone by around $4K, $8K relying upon the trim picked, however the choices list stays basically the same. Believe it or not, Porsche has patched up the outside plan of the 2024 Cayenne Roadster. The progressions are unpretentious, following a dissimilar way from the exceptional overhaul pattern of present situations. The front sash is more forceful, and each 2024 Porsche Cayenne Roadster presently displays 3D planned grid drove headlamps that add to its tasteful allure. 3 new varieties have been added to the range, which are Algarve Blue Metallic, Montego Blue Metallic, and Icy Dark. Albeit the outside redesign isn't especially outrageous, the little switches add around to a seriously charming and self-assured plan, while keeping the Cayenne's 911 roused pulchritude intact. Previously accessible in 3 variations, the module mixture Porsche Cayenne E crossover car has been bound to a solitary trim for 2024. In any case, this mixture Cayenne, fueled by a similar base Super V6 motor expanded with an electric engine, is currently fitted with a bigger battery pack and tuned to create more ponies. The 2024 Porsche Cayenne E-Mixture makes 300 horsepower from its motor and 174 from the electric engine. The joined result has just barely rose by 8 ponies, while there is a 37 pounds-to-foot expansion in force. The limit of the great voltage battery pack fueling the electric engine has been increased from 17.9 kWh to 25.9 kWh, and we anticipate that this update should convey an expansion in productivity.